buddy?
You help me out something real quick. You get a couple more officers.
What's going on?
This is Sergeant Koch, moments before the situation spirals out of control. The man he's speaking to is about to make a decision that could cost a life.
Somebody said they're gonna hurt my family. They wanted me to hurt kids, and I can't do it.
Okay.
So I gotta do this.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Put that down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down, buddy! Put it down!
On the morning of November 17th, 2022, security cameras outside the Ross County Sheriff's Office in Ohio captured a man pacing near the entrance before knocking on the door. At first, it looked routine. Moments later, Sergeant Kochan stepped out to greet him. Just a normal interaction outside a sheriff's office. But what Sergeant Kochan didn't know was that this brief exchange is about to turn into one of the most terrifying moments of his career. An incident Ross County deputies would never forget.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Put that down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down, buddy! Put it down! Ow! Ow! Ah!
No shot.
You're shot?
I'm shot. I'm shot in the chest. No, he's ran out the door. Oh. Oh. Yes. Yes.
Keep your copper. Keep your.
You gotta don't. Ah!
Where you shot?
In the chest.
Right in the chest. I gotta get you moved to cover. Is he down? Come on, I'm going for help. Stop, keep your gun. CBD.
No. I'm in the chest.
In the chest?
In the
Where's the
chest.
suspect?
Right there outside the door.
All available units, please go out 150 minutes forward to the deputy. Was shot in the hallway. Yes, shot in the hallway.
Where are you shot at?
Whoa, move. He's outside the door.
Where are you shot at?
In the chest.
In the chest. Okay. I'm gonna roll you, okay? I'm gonna roll you.
Can you keep your Gallagher. Gallagher. Wait, his gun. Suspect's outside. Suspect's outside. Who's injured, Eric?
I don't know.
What do he look like?
He's laying right there outside the door. I hit him.
He's bleeding. I need papers. Close.
Guys advising, I believe he's 1016 outside.
Where's your vest?
One suspect. One of our units.
You got cuffs?
Here, Gallagher.
Eric, we got this.
Stay down.
I got him.
Cuffs, Tommy?
Yeah, cuff him
I
up.
got it. You need cuffs or you want cuffs?
Down to the center, I believe he's 16. I'm sending squad that way now.
Charlotte, look at me. Look at me. Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Hey, squeeze
Talk
my
to
hand.
me.
Squeeze my hand.
Talk to me.
Where's he head at, Gallagher? You know?
I don't know yet, buddy.
Okay.
I think I'm hit twice.
Okay. I'm gonna look, okay?
Headquarters have EMS start in. We got it secured in the back.
Eric's inside, Ab. We got him. Eric's in there.
We got you, Bubba. We got you, brother. Hey, we have a medic coming down.
It might go over.
No, stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
High back.
The gun's right here, Dobby. Where's he hit? You see where he's hit right there? He's hit on the side of the head there.
Roll him away from that gun. Roll him away from the gun.
Can you get some towel or something from Blair? What do you need? You need some towels to hold against his head on the left side there if we can.
Where's he hit at in the head?
He's in the left side of the head. Look like. Do you have any idea what happened?
Headquarters, tell him to come in. We got a deputy that's shot. They need to get in here.
He's hitting the left side of the head right here. I don't know about the deputy over there.
Bubba, we're gonna have to take a shirt, okay?
Headquarters, we need 2 medics here. One for the suspect, too.
I don't see any more holes. I got it. I got you.
Keep going, sis.
Look, guys. Eric,
Look at me,
open your
bud.
eyes.
Look at me. Look at me, bud.
Keep it moving.
Keep squeezing my hand.
Okay, there's that one hole on the side, so I know if that's it.
Keep breathing, buddy.
You married, kids or anything?
I think he has kids.
Where's he shot?
In the head.
He got an injury to the head.
Chest
I'm
wound?
covering the hole.
Yeah.
I know.
We're not.
Right
We can't
here.
find an exit wound, but there isn't. Looks to be an injury
Yeah.
hole.
You searched him. You had more weapons on him.
I just searched that one pocket. I couldn't get to the other side there. That's the only side I got right there. I couldn't get on the left side.
Let me make sure you don't have more weapons on him.
Ready?
I got you, Army. Everybody good? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, one more time, Eric. You're going without. Slide. There you go. Atta boy. All right.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, hold on. Easy. Let me get out.
I got it.
I got it. Hey, let's get him a helicopter.
Dispatch, can you go ahead and start back flight towards
Eric, I'm Jenna. We're worried about you guys in.
Hold on.
As more deputies rushed to the scene to secure the area and document what had just happened, Sergeant Catran was already being loaded into an ambulance. A single gunshot wound to the chest. His condition was critical.
I don't feel anything else on him.
He stopped breathing.
He's still gasping.
He was gasping for a minute, but he stopped that now. Yeah. He's got. I'm gonna let go of pressure. You want me to let go? Keep hold. Yeah. We'll just carry him on the cot.
Scoot him over away from the gun here.
We have an officer shot in the chest. We have a suspect shot in the head.
We're gonna be doing compressions here in a second.
Okay. Watch your foot. Watch your foot.
I'm gonna roll into his back. Hey, watch your foot there. Don't step in that blood.
They say he's been searched for weapons.
Yeah, we did a brief search of him. Yeah.
I took the pockets as best I could.
We got brass here.
We got casings
Yeah.
here.
Can you guys clear out of here for us if you don't mind? Yeah. We're gonna tape this off here. Yep. I'll grab some tape in here, Brock.
We need to make this crime.
I got you right here. I got tape.
We're almost there, pal. We're getting really close. Sorry. We're gonna turn. Hold on. Be ready. We're gonna turn. Right here. There we go. We're almost there, pal.
Yeah, I had him on him, and they took him off when they transported. They got blood all over him. So,
You want to go ahead and get those cleaned off and get those out of here.
Sir, his body cam's still active. I didn't take time for that.
That's fine. I'm gonna put this in my car.
Okay.
We can't walk through here. There's shell cases everywhere. You got to walk around front. Yeah, watch your step here.
Oh, this where at?
Got all up here. There's shell cases all by the door. They're right inside there too. The first casing's up here by the door, so that's where the first casing starts at. That I seen anyway.
Got your light?
Yes.
Shine that on there for me.
Outside the Ross County Sheriff's Office, what began as a routine greeting had turned into chaos within seconds. Deputies now stood guard over a scene none of them were prepared for. The gunman was later identified as 42-year-old Nicholas Mitchell. Investigators say he opened fire that morning without warning. Moments after shooting Sergeant Catran, Mitchell suffered a gunshot wound to the head and later died. The motive still unclear. Back at the hospital, surgeons fought to save Sergeant Catran's life. He had been shot once in the chest, a wound that could have easily been fatal. For 7 days, he remained in a coma. When he finally woke up, recovery was far from over due to the trauma and medical treatment. He initially couldn't speak. Months of rehabilitation followed. Physical therapy, speech therapy, and relentless determination. Against the odds, Sergeant Catran survived. But for Ross County deputies, November 17th, 2022 would never be just another day on duty. It became a reminder that even the most ordinary moment, a simple greeting at the station door, can turn into something no one sees coming.